Massive cheek blackhead removal deep pore cleaning transformation. Why do blackheads appear on the cheeks? Although the nose gets most of the attention, the cheeks can also develop stubborn blackheads. Oil, dead skin cells, pollution, and everyday contact with phones or pillowcases can contribute to clogged pores. Because cheek pores are often less noticeable, blackheads may stay hidden until they become larger. Looking beneath the surface, a blackhead begins forming long before it becomes visible. Inside the pore, natural oil combines with dead skin cells to create a blockage. Over time, the upper part of the plug reaches the surface and darkens through oxidation. Precision extraction. Every clogged pore is different. Some release easily, while others require patience and careful technique. Professional extraction uses slow, controlled pressure to remove the blockage while protecting the surrounding skin from unnecessary irritation. Watching the transformation. As each blockage is removed, the skin gradually appears cleaner and smoother. Healthy-looking pores are not invisible, they simply look less congested and more even in texture. Daily habits that keep cheek pores cleaner. Simple habits can make a real difference. Regularly changing pillowcases, cleaning your phone screen, washing your face gently, and choosing lightweight skincare products can help reduce buildup over time. Healthy skin is built through consistent care, not quick fixes. Healthy skin is a long-term journey. Deep pore cleaning can improve the appearance of existing blackheads, but healthy-looking skin comes from daily habits. Patience, consistency, and choosing skincare products that suit your skin type can help maintain smoother and more balanced skin over time. Every transformation begins with healthy skincare habits. If you enjoyed today's cheek blackhead removal transformation, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Skin Remediant for more realistic deep pore cleaning, skincare education, and satisfying extraction sessions every week.